another review from Cod Raven. So I want to talk about, show you this saw I've purchased actually at least 6 months ago, and it's still sitting in the box because I just haven't had a need for it yet. So it's time to get it out of the box. I do have a new Echo larger, the 40, what model is it, 4910? Anyway, there's a review on that one. I'll link that for you. Very good saw. This one here is a little smaller, and the reason I purchased this because it was a wicked deal. They were like, I want to say $3.29 and tax or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but it was really cheap because I think originally, so I've had this saw before. I used to own a saw like this before, a few years back. This exact same model, but it had a 16-inch bar. This one I think has got the 18 that comes with it. So, and I've used it in the woods quite a bit, and I loved it. Loved it. So, and I went with a bigger one this time. I don't know why, to be honest, but I went with the larger, the next size up, 4910? 4910 I think it is. Anyways, not much difference in weight, but a lot more power. So I'm gonna try them both, compare them. Yeah, 16, 18. So I don't know which is in this one. I think it's 18. Dry weight, yeah, 10 pounds. So I think my other one is like 13 or 14 pounds. I can't remember for sure. But it's time we get this out of the box because I bought this when we were still living in Nova Scotia, and at Home Depot actually. They had a sale on them, and I couldn't believe the price. So I said, well, can't go wrong with a spare saw. So, anyways, two of these Echoes, they should be lifetime saws for me. So what do we get in the box here? Okay, so paper, instructions, yep. Cool. Oh, it's got a chain guard, and it looks like an 18. Looks like an 18 to me. Yep, 18, and a guard for it. And what else? There's another manual. I think that one was a warranty thing. And of course, a chain. And a can of mix, which is good. I already got some mixed gas here, so hold on the bar wrench. Well, this is what it looks like out of the box. Yeah. So yeah, it's I think this is an older model. They've had this model on the road for a while. It doesn't have a decompressor. My other one do. This one has the bulb primer here. My new one don't. So I'm not really sure. Someone in the comments probably know more than me right now. I don't think, well, Home Depot sells this one, maybe exclusively to Home Depot. I know the Kent, you can't get this model at Kent. Some people will shop at Kent. I guess they have certain models they let certain chains sell. So Home Depot sells this one, not Kent. Kent is an Atlantic Canada store, hardware store, if for anybody that's not familiar with it. So yeah, so okay, so let's get the bar and chain on this. So I got the oil in there, just putting some gas in now, and we'll get her going. Whoop. Overflow everything. Okay. Okay. Let's see how well this thing starts right out of the box. Switch on, choke out. Couple primes. Choke in. Okay, well, that was good. So now this is a 40.2 cc saw. My other one is a 50, I think, or just above 50. So 10 cc's, which is quite a bit for saw. So this one will be good deep. If you're dealing with deep snow, hard reaching, this lighter one will be good. It's got the longer bar. But so yeah, we'll see. See what I like better. I'll take my bigger one in the woods first, originally, I guess. And if I find it too hard and heavy, then I'll stick a whip on this one and take this one in. My bigger one would be better here for sawing slabs, of course, but just for the purposes of the video, I just unbox this one. So yeah, no, these Echo saws are great saws. I've had Huskies and Johnsons and Polands and Stills, and I think I've had at least one of all the brands. And Echo, in my opinion, are the best saws for the bang for the buck. 5-year warranty. Never ever needed warranty on anything. So I got a lot of Echo products. Got a brush saw, got the weed trimmer, or brush saw, weed trimmer, and the blower. And that was my second chainsaw. So it's hard to beat Echo. Really good product. And no, I don't get any kickback or anything for this. Of course, I bought it as my own money, and no, there's no benefit for me to. It's no benefit for me to brag these saws up. Just that I think they're a good product, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And I have friends that have Echo as well, and they just love them. So, anyways, yeah. So we'll check back some other time. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Any Echo lovers out there? I see Still being advertised lots. I think it's just because of price, but I really don't like Still. That's probably my worst brand that I don't like. So, anyways, if it wasn't Echo for me, it would be probably Husky, be number 2. I've had lots of Huskies over the years as well. So, anyways, thanks for coming along, and I don't think you can go wrong with any size Echo for whatever job you're doing with your saw, or whatever job you need a saw for. So anyways.